Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle with Originally Worn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a furniture transfer. But first, if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can find us online at originallywornonline.com and on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest under Originally Worn. Now let's get to it. So some of you might be wondering, what is a furniture transfer? A furniture transfer is like a really high quality sticker. I'm sure they don't want us to be using that word, but it's got like an adhesive backing and it gets pushed onto whatever you want to push it onto, and it kind of looks like it was painted on there. It's very cool. I have this large one. This sign that right here is, I think about 38 by 20, so it's big. And then I have this furniture transfer like this. Now it came rolled up, and it also came with one of these pusher things. This one is from IOD. It's an old one though. I doubt you can find it anymore. I just had it in my stash, and I like to get my transfers of that company from a store in Jefferson City called South Bank Gift Company. But then there's a lot of other brands and kinds too you can get on Amazon or any other kind of cool local shops. But a lot of people put these on like the front of dressers, or you can see I'm doing this giant one on a sign here. Some of them are a full graphic layout like this one. Some are like pieces of florals that you put together to make your own design. I could totally cut this one out if I say only wanted this rooster part. Just cut it out and just use that part. No big deal. I am going to be using the whole thing today, so it should be fun. I built this frame last night for this one specifically. As far as prep of what you want to put this on, you can paint it pretty much with any type of paint. If you are using a chalk paint like I do on furniture, then you'll need to seal it with like a polyacrylic or a water-based sealer before you put it on. That gives it the most adhesion likelihood there. So to start, you can see, it pretty much fits exactly in here. It's a little bit big on this side, but we're going to start, if you have a smaller piece, you peel it off and you kind of hover over that area and kind of push it down. I'm gonna start by taking this off, peeling this backer off. This is sticky, and kind of lining it up. Hopefully I made a square frame. See how my carpentry skills are. Lining it up, and then you kind of start to push it down. Now that I have it positioned and laid kind of where I'd like it, I'm going to take the tool that came with it and then kind of rub it in there, and it will pull away. It'll adhere to what you're working on, and it will pull away from this plastic that it's on. Now my transfer is a bit older, and I'm a little worried that it won't stick as well as some of the newer ones, but we will see. You can start to see here, like where this is starting to adhere, that's a little bit lighter. You can kind of almost push that air up into that sticker. That's kind of weird. And it will almost like adhere the rest of it. Can you see here where this has started to adhere down? And now I'm working my way and gonna get this to push down on there. You can kind of push the air into between these two layers and get it to stick down there. I'll show you now. So as you peel this up, you have this kind of very cool sign. It's also important to burnish your sign with a piece of plastic. So this is the thing that came off, but it was too big to kind of work with. So I cut a piece and I will go around and do this. And it's called burnishing. And it's just really kind of working it in everything. Really helps the edges kind of disappear. So here is our big finished sign. If you were doing this on a piece of furniture or on something that isn't just decorative on the wall, you could certainly seal this. It would be a good idea. Either seal it with polyacrylic, or you can actually seal it with furniture wax. What's really cool too about this is that even though it's a sticker, it's not like you really see these edges, and even where these boards come apart, they're actually like apart. It's not like I can stick my fingernail even between these layers still, because it's not the same as your traditional kind of sticker, which I think is super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Go check out all the different transfer designs they have. I'm sure there's something out there that will appeal to you. They have everything from florals to mermaids to sayings, anything that can really up your game as far as furniture design or as cool home decor. As always, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can find us online at originallywornonline.com and on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest under Originally Worn. Happy painting!